So guys, if your cookies are disabled for a specific site like Google or anything else and you are wondering why this is happening, there are a few simple reasons. Sometimes we accidentally hit block when a site tries to save cookies and Chrome keeps the setting forever. Sometimes extension like ad blocker or privacy tool can also silently block cookies in the background that may raise the issue. So to fix this issue, just follow this simple step and you are good to go. First, look at the top left of your browser. Right next to the website URL, you will see a small lock icon or orange style icon depending on your Chrome or Edge browser. It is called the View Site Information button. Click on it. After that, you will see an option called Cookies and Site Data. Click on it. Then go to Manage on-site device data. Inside that, you will notice that your specific website's cookies are blocked or disallowed. Just allow all of them one by one because your site needs these cookies to store your preferences properly. Once you allow them, simply refresh your page and your problem will be fixed instantly. That's it. Stay safe.